Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to talk you through updating your XP DEUS II. Now the RC, the controller and the headphones, the WS6 headphone module, both update separately. And to do that you'll need two separate leads. First of all, you need the 6-pin DIN for your RC, and you need the single-sided lead which come with your machine for the WS6 module. But first of all, we need to go onto the XP website, download the update feature from their homepage and install it onto our Windows PC. And once it's installed, it will ask you, do you want to set up a desktop icon? And we say yes, we want to put the updater onto the desktop. At the time of making this video, the latest version for the DEUS II is version 4, so things may change very quickly in the near future because the DEUS II is a new development and things are happening all the time with it. So just bear it in mind, some things may change as the machine progresses. Well, as you can see guys, we've got the software panel opened up. You can see that DEUS II is selected, not WS6, DEUS II. And these arrows here are just to run you through the step-by-step update procedure. They're nothing to do with the update really, we don't need that. So what we're doing here, we need to tell the RC it's ready to update. So if we go to options, settings, scroll down till we see update, select update. Do you want to update, yes or no? Yes we do. And then the machine will start to update automatically, and as you can see there, it's erasing the current version, and after that it will start reprogramming this. There you go, the programming's already started, and you can see the on screen on the RC, the line is greying out as it's nearly completed. And that's done. Success, we've updated our DEUS module. Well, that's it, that's the DEUS II RC updated. Now we need to update the WS6 module, and to do that we need to turn off the RC so the module becomes the master. And then all we have to do is plug in a single-sided lead and follow the on-screen instructions. So here we go, here's the DEUS II headphone module. We're going to now update it. We're in the screen, we've selected WS6 at the top, that's your DEUS, that's your WS6. Now we're going to go into menu, scroll down, settings, long press on settings, scroll down until we see update, long press on update, and then we select yes and it will start updating. There you go, and you'll see there it's erasing, and we're also getting the update information on the module. Now it's programming. Success, all done, 100%. So we press the back button there, and the headphones will do their own thing. They'll probably turn off. There you go, they've turned off, and they're now on charge. So that's it, that's our DEUS II RC and the WS6 modules updated. Only took a few minutes, didn't it? But bear in mind that is version 4. There's going to be a lot of updates in the very near future. Maybe this video is outdated already, who knows, but for this moment in time, that's how to update them. Don't forget that single-sided lead with the headphones. Well, that's it guys, thanks for watching once again. It's been emotional, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.